Hello everybody, welcome back to the NEFWANIs. We're in the car right now, so if the camera's a little bumpy, that is why. But we're on our way to the cabin. We got a cabin for New Year's weekend. We're hoping there's some snow. There was some snow on the way, but now it's looking a little dry.
Yeah, we passed through a whole blizzard on the way over here.
And now we see no snow, so I hope there's snow and we didn't just lose our chance of appreciating snow. But you already know the deal. We're gonna take you along. Happy New Year's. We're about to be in 2023.
2023.
That is
Years
crazy.
went by so fast.
We have our friends a few cars behind us, but we will show you guys them when we see them. But we wanted to do our intro real quick.
What?
Yeah, walking it. Call him.
Kai.
You're in the snow, Kai.
First time for the dog to be in the snow. Ooh, beauty, all pink. Our friends are coming down the street. You know, we beat them because I was speed racing. Yes, sir. Gang pulled up.
We are currently trying to get some firewood going. Clay's struggling a little bit. Should you let it like actually light? Like a big flame? Definitely.
So we're going on a walk for some content. It's freezing out here. Ooh.
All right, you guys, it is s'mores time. We are freezing. This is Jalen's first time making s'mores.
It is 27 degrees outside, and we're going to show you.
Kai is loving the snow.
I don't know what it feels like.
We're going to show you how to make s'mores today. So first, you start off with a graham cracker. You feel me? And then you got the marshmallow. Who got the chocolate? Chocolate factory. Look at him. Then you snap a piece of Hershey's chocolate off. Kai, leave that alone.
Yeah, he's loving the snow. He's not even phased.
I'm just gonna do one rectangle, you feel me? Because this marshmallow is just
Your marshmallow's looking a little burnt, folk.
Yeah, that's how I like it. You do it to your preference, how you want to do it, my boy. So, you add the shmallow, and then you smash it down with the other graham cracker, and you pull.
And let's see you take a bite. Beautiful. And are you struggling over here,
Hey,
folks?
chill out, man. Chill out, bro. Hey, mind you feel me?
What's
Mind your
going-
business, gang.
Are your hands frozen?
They froze as shit, bro. I ain't never done none of this before.
You know, we got the keeping it chilled, keeping our drinks chilled.
The 2-ton turn up. My son right here.
Enjoying the snow.
Yeah, go ahead and lick it off for me, ganger.
No, because there's chocolate on it.
No, there's not.
But he's eating a lot of graham crackers and stuff.
marshmallows.
I know, but he's eating a lot.
Anyway, she's being a party pooper, and we're turning up.
Dog lovers, you guys know, he literally had graham crackers. He took one freaking bite of a mini Hershey's. I'm kind of freaking out, but it was just one bar, but he's had enough. Yeah, there's chocolate. Okay.
Baby, you do it.
All right, we're frozen. Matter of fact, let's look at the drip on the feet. Oh! Whoa! What are those? All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy our marshmallows.
All right, so they're about to do. Zalea's about to do a snow angel. Go where it's clear. Go over there.
I'm gonna go where it's deep right here.
That's what I'm saying. Go over there.
1, 2, 3, go.
Fuck, you're gonna fuck it up.
You just messed it all up. Can't even tell what it is. Oh, you're about to be cold.
Jalen.
So we are out here freezing. If you guys wanted to know, it's about 27 degrees outside, but it's vibes, man.
Yeah, we're having fun. Wait, come on, I want it.
Is he peeing on my car?
He doesn't give no fuck. I'll ask the people if we can charge our phones for like 5 seconds.
It should be dry by now. On our way back to the crib. Driving through the North Pole.